Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hiding in plain sight within corporate filings. Get ready because today we're looking at a company that is extending its runway and we'll see what that really means under the hood. Before we dive in, if you love getting straight to the heart of financial reports, make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description below. It is a great place to connect and discuss these filings further. Alright, so what is brewing with Pyrophyte Acquisition Corp? This report filed on the 4th of February 2026 tells us about an event that happened late last year on the 30th of December 2025. It's essentially an update on a deal they are trying to make happen, a business combination. Think of it like a company looking for another company to buy or merge with. This filing is all about an extension. Remember earlier, back in April 2025, they had a shareholder meeting. The big news then was extending the deadline for this acquisition deal. Instead of having to finish by the 29th of April 2025, they got more time, pushing it all the way to the 29th of April 2026. This extension isn't free, though. So what happened on the 30th of December 2025? It's a payment. The group that helped start this company, called the sponsor, agreed to put more money into their trust account. They are doing this every month until the new deadline to show they are serious about making a deal happen. For December, this deposit was about $75,697.70. This is for the 9th month they are getting to look for a business combination. It's like paying rent to keep the deal alive. Now, the company itself is an emerging growth company. This is a designation for newer companies that still get some breathing room with certain rules. They had the choice to follow newer accounting standards sooner or stick with the older ones for a bit longer, and they've chosen to use the old system for now. This filing doesn't have fancy financial tables to dig into, which is a bit of a shame for us at Corporate Decoder. We love crunching numbers. This is more of a procedural report confirming they've paid to extend the time they have to complete their acquisition. It's less about how they are performing financially right now, and more about keeping their options open for a future deal. And who is signing off on this? Sten Gustafsson, the Chief Financial Officer. This means the financial head of the company is confirming this payment and extension. The date of this report itself is the 4th of February 2026, so it's reporting on an event that happened a little over a month prior. So what does this all mean? Pyrophyte Acquisition Corp is in the business of acquiring another company. A common strategy for special purpose acquisition companies, or SPACs. They've secured an extension to find that perfect match. The key takeaway here is that they are still in the hunt, and the sponsor is financially backing this extended search with their own money. This suggests a continued commitment to finding a suitable business to merge with, and by extension, delivering value to their shareholders down the line. However, it's important to remember that this filing doesn't give us a peek into the actual operational health or financial performance of any potential target companies, nor does it reveal specific acquisition targets. It is purely about the timeline and the necessary financial steps to maintain that timeline. The real story will be in future filings once a business combination is announced. For now, the strength here lies in the sponsor's continued financial commitment and the extended runway to execute their strategy. The risk remains that they might not find a suitable acquisition before the new deadline, which could lead to the dissolution of the company and the return of funds. That's our decoding of this particular filing. What are your thoughts on companies extending their acquisition timelines? Do you see it as a sign of thoughtful strategy or a sign of a difficult market? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to join the conversation on our Discord server, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.